How to change your password on LinkedIn. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your password on LinkedIn easy and fast in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do is log into your account, and now this is the home page. Go here to the top and click on your profile picture and choose settings and privacy option right here. Click on it, and now you will find this page. You will find many options right here. All what you have to do is go to the sign in and security option. Click on it like this and it will take you to this page. Now right here you will find the change password option. Click on it like this and type your current password, and here you need to type your new password and retype your new password here and click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.